I just wanna show you you are. You should let me know. You send me the location, then I'll be right there. You make her come check you my babe. No time, no time.
We're not happy with this service. Oh. Guess where I'm at? We're in Vietnam. Guess who's with your girl? I literally just landed, past tense. We're gonna try find something to eat because one thing about us, we go eat. But I want to give KK a gift before. Wait. I cannot. Wait. Is it devastating? I saw your story. I was like, okay. Let's try one Negro. I don't want a Negro. Isn't this a licorice? No, it's not a licorice, girl. It's a licorice. It's not a licorice. What is it? What does licorice taste like? Like Jägermeister. I don't know what Jägermeister tastes like either. Just taste it. It's not KK. It is. Who brought you Negroes? Keep it for when you need it. All right. We're gonna head on out. Yeah, I'm trying to show you the breakfast spread. This isn't even everything. Foodie. Morning, y'all. What to do? So I forgot to start vlogging, but we're getting it right. So we're at breakfast now. It's our first day in Hanoi, and we're excited to see what the city has in store, huh? Pauline is here. Yeah, Pauline's also here, but she's not here. She's grabbing more food. But yeah, it's a trip. We're in the Asian schools. But yeah, anyways, I'm hungry, like starving, because yesterday the food wasn't great when I landed. But we're gonna get it right today. Alright, we back. We back up. Alright, bye y'all. It really working out. See y'all later. It's not working out. Yeah, next time. This is what traveling in your 30s looks like. Because we just finished breakfast and walking, and now we're back because we need a little nap. You need a nap before the excursion. So today we're planning to see the city. That's one. So the old town. We wanted to see this place where they have the trains pass directly through the market. It's very popular in TikTok and social media.
I think ChatGPT said visit that at 3 p.m. But then everybody on TikTok said go in the morning.
So then, I mean, if it's close by, it doesn't matter. We can always go. No, maybe there's close by. We can see what it do. But yeah, it's so crazy, guys. We are in Vietnam. What? And we're having a whole tour because we're moving from city. What is going on? What? No. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we're doing something fun. Until then, peace out, H-Town.
So hard in my blunt is I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said take your time.
Oh, we're ordering salt coffee. Well, KK is ordering it, and we're gonna try to see how it tastes. So Vietnam is known for the different coffees that they have. They have egg coffee, salt coffee. So we're going to tell you how the salt coffee tastes. And we're also going to be sitting on the street. Sugar cream. Shortened. Oh, salted cream. Thank you so much.
How do you say thank you in Vietnamese?
Wait.
I'm gonna say thank you.
You see? Cop.
Kapun. He's like,
We'll figure it out.
okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ish.
It's hard. I'm never gonna try the pep because
I'll learn it.
by the end of this trip we're gonna get it.
We're gonna learn how to say thank you and hello. Alright! I think there was an N somewhere. There was an N somewhere. We need to take the first sip.
How's your cacao?
Pleasantly surprised? Are you pleasantly surprised?
It just tastes like coconut milk.
It tastes like coconut milk,
It's not bad, but it's not as strong as you guys' one.
but there's no coffee in it.
Yeah, there's no coffee.
Y'all, I can't. I'm not supposed to drink coffee, so now I'm having the baby juice. Wanna try?
Sure. I'm gonna stop recording.
Jamaican dollars? 307. That's great. You can't even get bread for 307. We bought these 3 drinks. And the drinks come up to around 7 dirhams.
One Great British pound.
So you know what it is?
How much is that in dollars?
We rich up in here. We billionaires in Vietnam.
1, 2, 3.
So all of us, we don't know math. So Pauline is doing the conversion. Hello. How much for the chips?
20? 20,000? Can you do conversion? How much is it?
Are we gonna tell them what we just did, or we shouldn't?
Listen.
So y'all, you know the story about how things are cheaper in certain countries? Hold up, let me show y'all what we got. Are you gonna show them yours? Well, it's same.
Basically same.
Bro, the amount of... Guess the price.
You won't never guess it.
Guys, sheep, dirt, don't ray.
And that's on haggling. Period.
Guys, you can find Hidden Gem Cafe.
Where?
It's 3 minutes away.
Okay. Beep beep, so sorry.
Are we going right?
No, just keep going straight.
The 3rd floor.
So we're at this place called Hidden Gem Cafe. We saw it on TikTok. Well, KK found it on TikTok. So let's see what is... Oh, yo, more steps? I'm gonna be like, no, habibi. Oh, it's cute. Hold up. As a rasta.
Fresh spring rolls, fries, and banh mi.
And banh?
Banh mi.
Banh mi.
Oh my god, did it catch you?
Yes. light coming.
We made it to the French Quarters. Not quite sure what is happening here. I think it's just more colonial looking buildings.
Prison.
And clearly more fancier stores. You know, it's giving European streets, I guess that is the vibe, obviously. French Quarters.
But I think everything is closed because we came a bit late.
Thank you. Y'all, the breakfast spread is so nice. Sushi for breakfast? Where have you ever seen? But anyways, I'm gonna stop vlogging and I'm gonna eat because, oh wait, we're late. Yeah, I'm back. So we're not late, but I mean, we're not the earliest that we could also be. So I'm gonna drop the camera and I am going to take my food. So I'll see you in Halong Bay.
Can you anybody stay here?
Hey y'all, what to do? So we're in Halong Bay. Now we're gonna start the day cruise. The whole crew up in here. Yeah, and it's very overcast. It's rainy, but the vibes will continue regardless. Y'all be careful because them steps look treacherous. I'm gonna hold you. How does it look? It's looking a little steep.
I wouldn't want to fall into that water. Yeah, it's not the thing. Yeah. Is it working?
Hey y'all.
Hey. Are you seeing the views? Look at that. So these rocks are made from limestone. And this is where they filmed King Kong. Did you know that? Me neither. I was 3 years old. But we're learning stuff, child. Oh! It's more impressive in the on the photo that he shared. Yeah, on the photo that he shared. There's a bit. Thanks, man. You know what I mean?
So we're currently on the boat, which is not bad. You know, we had food. Wasn't the greatest of all time, but also, you know, was a good selection. However, a big caveat is that we have to pay cash on live, but they didn't say that before. And so you have food included, but you don't have drinks included. So now we're just here because we didn't come with a lot of cash. So we're just here with the vibes. Anyways, they gave us green tea. So yeah, I think that's the only thing that's the sad part about it. But we're still gonna have a great time. We're waiting to go in the actual bay so that we can kayak, and there's hiking, and there's some other stuff that we're gonna do. So far, it's okay. There's no vibes though. Yeah. We should put some music or something on the podcast. Right? Give us some. Should have brought an ox. Thank you. So we're in the place where you can do 3 things. Let me get y'all straight. So you can either do kayaking, you can do bamboo, which is a lazy bamboo type vibe, or you can do speedboat. Speedboat is at an additional cost, but we don't have our cards, so it's between.
They do. They just don't accept the card.
Okay, they don't accept cards. Yeah. So now we are going to. Be careful, Kate. Be careful. Yeah. So we're gonna go to the lazy river, the lazy bamboo one, which is the less hectic of the two. I got upvoted off the island basically because I was like, let's do kayaking. But Kate and Pauline, they were not in favor. And to go kayaking by yourself is kind of lame. And also, if you fall in this water, I don't think it's gonna be great. Yeah, this is not like Maldives. Yeah, it's not like Maldives. The water is not great, so let's just stick to the safe option. And yeah, it's very loud, so I'll see you when I see you. Yeah, it's giving. Hey.
This is our portion.
It's
What are people suffering?
it's chaotic, guys. I'm sorry.
Look at that. Show them that.
All we want is a life jacket. Oh no.
Yeah, minimum 10.
Updates, y'all. So our tour guide left, and so now we can't go on the boat without the tour guide. So we're basically stuck here.
We're just like waiting around the picture.
Yeah, but then they keep on saying you're not my tour.
Well, we gonna get on because damn tour
Like we
guide.
paid money to be here, actually.
Yeah, he's not there, so wherever he is, and they can't say no for your guy.
Oh, guys, this is not. This is. Alright, so the update is y'all. Ooh, wait.
He's sliding.
The update is
You want to balance it out a little bit, even though it doesn't matter. 'cause
we made it on one. Three of us left, so you need to figure it. That's not the group. Yeah, I'm so sorry to tell you.
There's no. I mean, nobody else is coming on from here, right?
Where's the tour guide?
The tour guide left.
He's also left us. If he's left us, then what do we do? Yeah, we're gonna fight with them. So it's unless we do that or we get
But
off.
like, if we get off, who's coming on? There's nobody else coming on, right?
Excuse me, you can group, right?
Where's the group?
You can group, right? Okay, you have another boat. You have another boat. Yeah, we have yes. We have another boat. Yeah, I will set up for you another boat.
This is unacceptable. We're not happy with this service.
Listen to me. Okay, I will set up for you the one more boat. Yeah.
But it's not about that. It's about we were told to come here. Nobody is here from the tour guide. How? Like
then
we're
they
just
left all
standing
of
here.
us.
It's okay. Listen to me. Listen to me. Yeah, I will set up for someone the bamboo.
But
and
can
get
you
the kayak.
acknowledge the fact that it's
Yes.
not right?
Guys, as you know, it's come for real. We're keeping it real. This is not okay. Because we didn't come here for free. And basically, yeah, no, this is no. What's the name of this guy? No.
It's a dub.
I'm gonna tell you all the details. We should have booked the one we wanted.
Don't settle in life.
Don't settle, guys, in life. Just choose the one that you want. So now we're going to go on another group.
You can get all the.
We do that when we solve.
Yeah, well, finally made it on the boat, y'all. Guys, anything to share?
No.
In a bad mood. She said the people annoying. Woo! Bring some energy, y'all. Add some cheers.
Not the monkeys trying to come on the boat.
it's only fair for me to say what's my experience of a 10. And I would say it is a 2 because for KK, this is her first mishap in running with Mr. Ken. However, it's my second because I was ushered and forced off the bus at the rest stop when I didn't want to leave. And the bus driver says, you have to go, please go, leave. And I'm just going, am I paying or am I here for free? You know what I'm saying? But anyways, as I said before, you live and you learn.
For hiking, walking, yeah. And then 2 minutes, we get out the boat in the left.
So it's hiking time. Now, I didn't sign up for no hiking because as you can see, I got slippers on. But some people, they're like, oh yeah, we're going hiking.
I mean, it's either this or swimming in that. And
Swimming in where?
it's either hiking or swimming.
Why you don't want to swim, KK?
Because I can't. Okay.
Yeah, guys, listen.
Gotta be back by 2:10.
We have to be back by 2:10. 2:10. Like this is the 50th time. And I bet you someone's gonna be there 2:10. Yeah. But someone's gonna be late, you know. But those aren't gonna be us.
It smells like fish.
It smells very fishy. Something is fishy here. Guys, all of this for social media pictures. This is not my passion. Hey, listen.
I say we do one more flight. That's
One
it.
more fly.
And that's it.
Sis.
We won't wait for this, okay?
I wasn't made for.
Where's the top?
We don't know.
We don't know. We don't know where's the top.
I think I can see it.
Is that the top?
We have to go.
You can see it?
It's very steep, I think.
Yeah.
Up there.
Oh God.
Oh
Let's
my.
ask them if they come back down, how far the top is.
Let's hear.
If it's worth it.
I don't know.
How's the view?
Pretty good.
Is it worth it?
Did you go all the way up to the top?
Yeah.
But then you're sweating like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went up pretty quick.
Yeah.
There's lots of viewpoints on the way down, so
Okay.
you can get pictures halfway if you
All
decide
right.
you don't want to.
This is not even halfway. Oh God.
No, come on.
Oh, okay. Let's at least get halfway.
Sure.
Are you gonna? Yeah, you can. Go ahead, please.
Y'all look at my heart rate. This ain't normal. Let's go. That's what happens when you like things too much. Too much liking things. Anyways, I'm here to update you that the brave may fall, but never yield. We've made it.
The halfway point, I think.
Yeah, this is the halfway point. But to me, this is the full way point.
Nah, I'm good. You going? More power to you.
Going all the way up there, but there's literally more.
I fully support you from over here.
No, I'm not going all the way there.
So basically he apologized, he gave us water and stuff. So now we're trying to get our mood up. We're gonna go hike up this mountain. There's no option. Once you start, you have to finish. So here we go. Hold on, let me put, oh, it's my second hike. I said I wasn't gonna hike again, but here we are. don't know, but all I know is once we start, we can.
Okay, we're starting.
We're starting. It's happening. I'm motivated. So this will be us. Look, it's us.
I just don't want to talk.
Yeah, let's just keep it quiet. So y'all, this is the biggest cave in Hanoi, right? Or Vietnam? In Halong Bay. How nice. But you know what's even nicer? It's the natural air conditioning happening here. It's cool, and I thank God because this place is hot.
That's the rainwater. Rainwater would.
Moses, where are you? All right, Ken, you better know that. You better know you have one last strike, baby.
The bay. Everyone, yeah, dragon. And what dragon? Everyone, ha, it means descending or landing. Yeah. And long which means dragon. Ha long means descending dragon or landing dragon. And according to the legend from long time ago, we have invader from the north. Everyone happy get closer here, please.
Some bring water.
Raise the ring up, please. Everyone, just raise the ring up, please. Okay, everyone, are you ready?